Good afternoon, children. I am Mary David, PGT English, Air Force Station Bisiana, Bathinda. How are you, dear children? I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. Today I am here to teach you how to write letter to editor. So our topic is letter to the editor. Dear children, we write letter to editor when we need to discuss some serious issues with the people, with the authorities, because we cannot go and reach each and every human being. Newspaper is the easiest way to reach. So letters are written to the editor, so they must be published in the newspaper and they reach the maximum number of people. So let's start with the format of the letter. First of all, before doing anything, keep one thing in mind. You have to start from the extreme left. This is the margin of your book. You have to start from the extreme left. In the first line, you have to write about the address of the sender. Address of the sender means the person who is writing the letter. Sometimes you get the address of the sender from the question itself. If it's not given in the question, you can use your address also. Okay. Then leave one line and write date. Don't write DAT, date. Write date, for example. We'll come further. I'll tell you how to write it. Then leave one line and then write address of the receiver. Address of the receiver. Okay. After this, write down the subject, because editor will read our letter only after looking at the subject. What the letter is all about. He won't have so much of time to read each and every letter. It will depend upon the subject, what subject you are going to discuss. So you have to write the subject. After the subject, salutations. Salutation means addressing the editor, the person. Then this is the body of your letter, and then you will have a closing line or complimentary line. Closing line, and then you will write your name. Most of the time the name is already given in your question. If it's not given in the question, you can write X, Y, Z, A, B, C, anything you feel. Okay, so everyone is clear with the format of the letter. First of all, address of the sender, one who is sending the letter, then date, address of the receiver, then subject, then salutation, then body of the letter, then closing line, and then name. So, for example, let's take one example. We know today we are locked down in our house due to pandemic. Pandemic means the whole world is affected by this disease, COVID-19, coronavirus, highly contagious disease. Everyone is locked down. That's why we are taking such kind of classes with you people. So let's highlight today's problem. For example, you are Rahul. So I am providing you name Rahul. So you are Rahul of 126 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. So this is your address. You are Rahul, house number 126. So instead here we will write address of the sender, house number 126 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Okay. Then we need to write date. So what is the date today? Today is April. Leave one line and write April 23, 2020. Okay. Address of the receiver. Here the receiver is the editor. So before proceeding further, I'll give you a question. For example, you are Rahul of 126 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Uh, you have seen that during this lockdown situation, everywhere, not only in India, everywhere, still many people in your locality, they wantonly and willfully break the rules set up by the government. They roam here and there with so many lame excuses. You feel very pathetic about it. You feel really alarmed and concerned about the situation. So write a letter to the editor of any national daily, any newspaper, highlighting the gravity of the situation and the issues, or you can say your concern about the immature behavior of the people. So this is your question. If you want, I can write the question here, but I feel all of you must have understood that the question is in during this time of lockdown, many people are wandering here and there. They are willfully violating the rules. So write a letter to the editor telling about the gravity, seriousness of this situation and the immature behavior, concern over the immature behavior of the people. Understood? So after date, we need to write the address. So after date, we need to write the address of the receiver. Our receiver is the editor. The editor. Then name of any newspaper. For example, I take Tribune. The Tribune. Tribune. Then New Delhi. Then subject. So subject is concern over the spread of, or you can say concern over the immature behavior, over the immature behavior of some people during lockdown. Okay, clear? So till subject everything is clear. After subject, because my board is small, so I need to rub this. After subject we will write in the next line. After subject, suppose this subject we are writing here. So after subject we will write sir. Don't write respected sir, because sir is already a respectable word. So just start with sir. Please don't put comma over here, because it is over. We are overdone with these things. So then we will start the body of the letter. This is the body of the letter. And last is your complimentary or closing line. Closing line, and then your name. So my dear children, let's come to the body of the letter. How to write the body of the letter. Before we start doing anything, for example, we have to build a house, or we need to draw something. Building a house is a big thing. Just think, simple thing. I need to draw a picture here. I need to draw something. What all I need? I need some raw material. I need a pencil. I need a paper. I need something so that I can build a beautiful picture. In the same way, to build a beautiful body, you need some ideas. Collect your, for that we have in English, we have a definite formula that will never fail. It is coder. Everybody of you must have heard about it, or you might know about it, or you know it. Coder is collect your ideas. Whatever we want to do, whatever we want to write, first of all collect it. Then organize your ideas. Then draft your ideas. then edit your ideas, and then revise it. Okay, so in this way you can draft your bodies. And I must tell you, to draft the body, your body must consist of, body of the letter must consist of 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Paragraph and third paragraph. First paragraph you must introduce the problem. First paragraph must be about the introduction of the, let's write here, first paragraph, second and third. Introduction of the problem. Then what is the problem? What is the problem? The problem is coronavirus, spreading of the coronavirus, lockdown and all those things. Then causes. Sorry, you can use also, introduction is why we are here. We are here to write a letter about telling, highlighting about immature behavior of the people during lockdown. So this is the introduction. Causes, why people are locked down in their houses. What is the cause of it and how it is going to affect us. Then next is suggestions. Last para is suggestion. So if you write at least 4 or 5 lines about all these things, you will have a very good body for your letter. Okay, so I'll give you few lines also to how to introduce your letter. For example, you can write the letter starting with, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. Dear sir, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I want to show my concern, over the, this is your topic. Understood? So after doing this, writing first paragraph, after writing, then you tell about the causes, why we are locked down here, what the government is doing, police is deputed everywhere, we people are provided with all kind of facilities to stay safe, to stay alive, we must stay at home, all those things. Then the last paragraph is suggestion. What should government do to keep these kinds of antisocial elements into their houses? For example, strict measures must be taken, or they must be made aware about it. So in this way you can draft a very good letter. And the last one is complimentary note. Here you can write yours truly. After completing your letter, you can give one note also. I hope you will publish my letter, or you can say, I hope my letter will find a place in your newspaper. Okay, and then after that, after completing the letter, write down yours truly and your name, Rahul. Hope you have understood how to write a letter. Thank you so much. So dear children, you also stay home, be safe.